Intro, gardening is a wonderful hobby that can bring joy and beauty to your life. However, the word gardener can have many different interpretations, and it's important to understand its true meaning to fully appreciate the benefits of gardening. Body. First and foremost, a gardener is someone who takes care of plants and flowers. They tend to these plants, water them, and fertilize them to ensure they grow healthy and strong. This type of care is known as tending, and it's a fundamental aspect of gardening. Another definition of the word gardener is someone who cultivates a plot of land for growing crops. This can include fruits, vegetables, and grains. In this sense, a gardener is also responsible for planting, harvesting, and storing crops. A third meaning of the word gardener is someone who works in a nursery or greenhouse to propagate plants and trees. This can include planting seeds, cuttings, or seedlings and transplanting them into the ground or into pots. Finally, the word gardener can also refer to someone who specializes in creating beautiful and well-maintained outdoor spaces. This can include designing and constructing gardens, installing landscape features like fountains and patios, and maintaining shrubs, trees, and flowers throughout the year. Conclusion. The word gardener has many different definitions, but they all share a common thread. They all refer to someone who takes care of plants and flowers. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, the benefits of gardening are clear. From improving your physical and mental health to creating a beautiful outdoor space, gardening is a rewarding and fulfilling hobby that can bring joy to your life for years to come.